Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on my New Year's resolutions for 2026. Dear audience, as you all know, New Year is coming and it's the time to make new and important resolutions for the upcoming year 2026. Wish you all a happy New Year 2026 in advance. And now, let's get started with the video. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. As 2025 comes to an end, my mind turns naturally to the setting of meaningful goals for the forthcoming one. New Year's resolutions are not simply promise, we make to ourselves, but an engagement towards better versions of our own selves. First and foremost, my resolution is to focus on my studies with more dedication and consistency. Therefore, I resolve to study regularly, do assignments in time, and clarify doubts as soon as possible instead of delaying them. I will make a proper study schedule and will follow it religiously. Another thing is to enhance physical fitness and health. I will exercise every day for at least 30 minutes whether yoga, jogging or playing some sports. I will minimize junk food consumptions, drink plenty of water and have enough sleep. After all, a healthy body translates to a healthy mind. Which every student needs for success in academics. My third resolution is to decrease screen time and use technology more purposefully. Instead of infinite scrolling on social media, I will use my phone for educational purposes. Like reading ebooks and learning new skills online. I want to limit recreational screen time to 1 hour daily. I also resolved to help my parents more with household chores and respect their efforts. They work tirelessly for my future, and I want to reduce their burden by being more responsible and independent. I also want to develop a new skill this year, either in playing a musical instrument or learning a new language. At the same time, I will practice gratitude on a day-to-day basis by keeping a journal of the little blessings in my life. Finally, I resolved to be kind to everyone around me, be it my family, friends, teachers, and even strangers. Small acts of kindness really make a big difference in someone's day. I know it is easy to make resolutions, but sticking to them requires will and self-discipline. I pledge to work hard, during 2026 in achieving these goals and becoming a good student, son or daughter, and of course, human being.